Okay. Okay, guys, we continue with the quadratic. This is carrying 5 marks. Now, when you are given such a question like this is the question we are given. Mind you, this came in 2017 school certificate. You have to write this one in standard form. Write this in standard form. Write this in standard form. When I say in standard form, I should write it in like this, in explicit form, meaning that this goes there, becomes a negative, this becomes also a negative, equals to 0. So this one is now standard form. Now from here, I'll be able to identify my A, I'll be able to identify my B, I'll be able to identify my C. My A is always, you compare this to this quadratic equation, which is A x squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. You can see this is my A, this is my A. So the one which is in front there is 2. My B is negative 6. My C is negative 3. So please, this is where we get these figures. What is it? Whatever I said, when we're given such a question, please, you have to write it in standard form. You bring this one this side, and thereafter you can work out. Now, how do we do it? We use this method. You say, okay, be careful. The whole lot of this, the bar should be the the over should be long enough. Negative b plus or negative square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Please, you continue nicely. Negative, be careful, then there is negative. This negative is on the formula. So you can see, put the brackets, plus or minus. Then, of course, the b, this b should be squared. Should be in brackets. Minus 4, bracket my a, like that. My c, like that. Over 2, bracket, then 2, like that. You can see that is substitution, that is correctly, you get something there. You continue, you say, okay, please do not feel lazy. It should be over. Negative and negative is positive. So you are going to have a positive 6. Then from there, you work out what is there. This is 36, positive. Negative 6 times negative 6. You can use a calculator, you get it. And then this and that, you get a positive. Then in all you get a 24, because from there you get a 4. Please, you continue. You don't be in a hurry. Please, you continue. When you add them nicely, you agree with me that you get a 70. You get a 70. You get a 60, because when you add this, it becomes 10. That is 5 plus 1, that is 60. So you get a 60 over this one. Then here it's where you get your calculator. Please, you get your calculator. This stage is very, very important. You say, okay, the first thing you say 6 plus the square root of 60. What do you get? You get this one, divided by 4. You get divided by 4. You get this one. So the first x value, the first one, it is 3.4. 3649, then 1673. The other value of x, you say, okay, you start with the 6. Say 6 minus square root of 60. Remember, square root of 60 equals to, then divide by 4. Then you will get this one. You get negative 0.43. It's negative 4364. Then 916, of course, 73. Please be careful. These numbers are very, very important. You have to show me everything here. So from there now to 2 decimal places, that's what they have said. Now you say, okay, x is equal to 1, 2. This is 1, 2. So the third one is this one. So this is after a point, there are 2 numbers. So 1, 2. So the neighbor is on the right. It is above 5 plus 1. So it will be 3.44. So this is the first value of x. You come this side, you say oh, you say okay, is equal to negative 0 point, again here 1, 2, the neighbor is this one, negative this one. So you can see these are the values. So what was I saying? I was saying, number one, are you able to change this question in standard form? What do we mean by standard form? It should be in this form. Should be in this form, where ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. If that is the case, put them like this. You are able to identify your A, your B, your C. Are you able to identify your A, your B, and C? If it is yes, yes, then you substitute them nicely. So please, this question carries 5 marks. Here it's very, very important. It carries a mark. Somewhere here to give you 2 marks and then the final answer like that. Please be careful. Be careful. So meaning here you have to be very careful. Here you get something. There you get at least something, and this is the 5 marks we are talking about. So please pay much attention. These questions, please, it is in Basel, or should I say, these are questions you should enjoy doing. So wishing you all the best and continue practicing, because practice makes perfect. God bless you. I love you.